Good morning, Natalie. I am going to try to show you exactly what I was trying to show Sophia the other day. I believe you asked me about the problem, what do you do if you have zeros when you're using the area model and the distributive property? The problem you asked about was 20 times 38. So with Sophia, what I know about her is that she is still at that concrete and pictorial representation when she's understanding math problems. So I think it's really important she sticks with using an area model. She can't just skip to using partial products. She needs that picture representation of what she's doing. Then we can write the partial products afterwards so that we can begin moving her to that next step. So what I would do with this was I would tell her, well, this is a 2-digit by 2-digit number. So I'm going to need to create an area model that allows for the places 2 digits and 2 digits. So it would look like this. We create a place for 2 digits down the side and the 2 digits across the top. The number 20 has a 2 in the tens place. That 2's value is 20, so we're going to put it in the very first box right here. This is the first digit in the problem that we're doing. Then we're going to go down to the next one. We're going to go ahead and write the 0 here. We don't want to leave it out because Sophia needs that there. She's not ready to move to the abstract where she can just think, oh, that's not there anymore. This will help bridge the gap later as well. So then we look at the number 38. The 3 is in the tens place and it's worth 30. And the 8 is in the ones place and its value is 8. So now we can start showing her what the value of this entire area of the area model is worth. So this one would be 20 times 30. Now Sophia is not completely consistent yet when she's multiplying these multiples of 10. She knows 2 times 3 is 6. Sometimes she does put the correct number of zeros in there, but not all the time. So I would talk to her about this is actually 2 tens times 3 tens. So that means it's 6 tens. And then we're going to add those 2 zeros at the end because we know 20 times 30 is going to have those 2 zeros here. The next one that we would do would be the 0 times the 30, which is shown up here. 0 times 3, it's really 0 times 30. And we know the answer to any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Then we're going to go back to 20 times the 8. 20 times 8. And we know 2 times 8 is 16, so 2 tens times 8 is 16 tens, or 160. And then 0 times 8, again, any number times 0 is 0. So now we can write this in a linear fashion using the distributive property. So, and these are the partial products. 20 times 30 plus the 20 times 8 plus the 0 times 30 plus the 0 times 8. And then those partial products are written underneath. Then she can add together the 600, the 160, for the total product of 760. Now that's the way I would do it. I want her to see every part of the problem, no skipping, and I really don't see it necessary to break this 20 up into the 2 tens to multiply it by 30 like you did. I think keeping it this way is what's going to work best for her. I hope this helps.